look at this. We're walking down to our fishing spot. And look, it's flooded. Rain's been coming for the last couple hours and it's flooded. Oh, I just got my shoes all wet. All right, see you guys here in 3, 2. Hey guys, we're here now and it's still flooded. So this is gonna be a flooded time at the lake or pond. Sorry, pond. I am fishing with a MEMS spinner. Hopefully, this probably isn't the best. Oh, I got one.
No!
Bring him up.
What? Okay.
I got one. First cast, folks. No way. On the MEMS. Let's go. Boom. Let's get the release. Oh, see you, bud. See you. That was literally first cast. He was like hanging down over there, and I was like, well, we'll take advantage. Hey guys, I got the Yelp of Zach got a fish on. It turns out it was one of these. Hey guys, welcome to Homemade Bassers 419. You may notice something, and that something might be that it is different weather and my gloves are different. That is because yesterday it got too cold and rainy and we had to go home. But we are still at the flooded lake and I'm fishing with a spinner. Jake has one. Wait, is that a big one? Wait. What is that? It's back up here so you can see. Little bass. Let's go. That's a teeny bass. With a piece of hot dog.
You didn't even eat the hot dog.
Yeah. Wait. Hold them up like a 10-pounder. I mean, not a 10-pounder. Nice. Little one. Okay, get the release. Oh. There he goes. Hey guys, Jack just hooked into a big one. Camera wasn't rolling, but Jack just hooked into a big one. Yeah. Is it a big one? Ooh. That's a nice one. Don't lose him. You want me to get him? Whoa. That's a very nice one. Whoa, you guys seen this? Oh, that's a toad.
Got him. That's a big one.
Nice. Hey, for the release. Okay, there it goes. And there he goes. Folks, Jack's on fire. Jack's hooked into another one on hot dog. Is it a big one? Oh, it's another bass. Wait. Yeah. Wait. Yeah, it's another bass. Bring him on. Wait. Is it?
It's a bass.
I can't see it.
I can.
Okay, yeah, that's definite bass. In the world. No, don't break your pole. Here you go.
Can you?
Third bass of the day, and I have caught 0 bass of the day. And folks, you know what I'm switching up to now? A hooking. Some hot dog. Shame to say it, but gotta do it.
It's very nice friend.
Okay.
Wait. Oh, yeah, it hooked off me.
Guys, Jack's got another one. Wait, is it? I don't know.
That's a fish.
Okay, let's see it. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's a fish. That's a definite fish. Nice one. Don't be afraid, just grab him. Good job. Woo! You actually got another one. He's killing the competition. Meanwhile, I have 0. Nada. Zilch.
Littler than the
Other big one that you had. Alright, let's get the release. See ya later, bud. Alrighty. Well, I got a catch runner. Guys, I got a fish. I got a fish, Jack. Guys, I got a fish. Oh. Come here, bud. So we get him. Oh, careful. Don't hurt yourself. Woo! Beautiful little bass. Winter bass. Look at that, folks. Alright, let's put him back. Let's get the release. There he goes. Let's go. Boom!